Good morning. It is March 28th at 9:20 a.m. and it's been about 9 days since the last time I posted anything about the coronavirus here in Missouri. That was right after our first death. We now have 9 deaths and I think 670 positive cases, and that's the numbers from yesterday at 2 p.m. They haven't been updated today. It won't be till later this afternoon. I don't know where all we'll go today, what all we'll do. We are trying to practice the whole social distancing thing, but my girlfriend found a baby copperhead, which is a poisonous snake, on her steps the other day when it got warm on Thursday. So we're gonna go get some snake repellent. We're not waiting for it to be delivered over the internet or anything else, so I'm going to go get some snake repellent with her and help her get it spread around her house so we can keep those little things away from the house. She has pets. She has children at her house, grandchildren. They come to visit, and we don't need any copperheads around. I need 1 or 2 things from the hardware store, so we might stop by there and see how things are at Menards. We did some shopping on last Sunday, got a few things in case they issue a stay order for our location or city, but they have not. But we got some of our stuff done, and we pretty much stayed in all week except for a motorcycle ride, which was just me and my girlfriend, who I am going to be around anyway. So, you know, there's our risk, and we had a good ride. If you want to check that out, I'll give a link to that video. It's on my other channel where I do motorcycle stuff, and if you're interested in motorcycle stuff, check that out. I did want to mention that last weekend when we were shopping, people were behaving well, keeping their social distances, you know, staying away from each other in the grocery stores and being patient. So that was all good. There was toilet paper to be found. I bought some toilet paper last weekend for people who could not find it in Kansas City. I knew someone going to Kansas City, so I sent it with them to help those folks out that were having problems getting it up there. There's a really popular YouTube motorcycle channel called Bikes and Beards, and those guys went out and bought a whole ton of supplies, and just to see how hard stuff was to get, and then they donated it to a local charity that disperses that kind of stuff, and that's a really cool thing to do. If you're doing really cool stuff in your community to help people who are maybe struggling through the coronavirus, COVID-19 situation, let me know. Drop me a comment down below and tell me how you're paying it forward and helping others, because we need to all be doing more of that. All right, I'm gonna go in and see if we can get this sulfur stuff we need for her yard. Okay. There's that jug. See, I figured we could put some of it in that and spread it with that. Well, it took a minute, but the manager finally found her sulfur stuff. So, on to the next place.
I have 2 bottles of shampoo and 2 bottles of conditioner.
They've got snack cakes refilled. The rain got here a little early, so we didn't get the sulfur spread on the yard to keep the snakes away before the rain came. So we'll either do that later this afternoon once things dry up a little bit, or we'll work on that tomorrow. We went to MFA. Of course, that's a low traffic area, not a lot of people there, and that was fine. We stopped by Menards. A fair amount of people at Menards, not busy, but a fair amount, and they had more paper products back in stock. They've been getting that. They had milk. They had some other products you could tell were coming back. They were still pretty low on cereal and Pop-Tarts and some box goods and some stuff like that. But like beef tamales were something they were out of the other day, and that's been restocked. Let's see, the dog food, some of that had been restocked, so that's starting to come back. That was good to see that it's not continuing to get lower and lower. Snack cakes, things like that that are probably a local vendor comes and supplies that. Just, you know, Little Debbie cakes and stuff, they were back in stock and filled up. So went to Kroger's, local grocery store, and had to grab a couple of things for a meal tonight. And they had toilet paper, not a lot, 4 packs, you know, limit per one to person, but they did have toilet paper. They had plenty of meat and stuff on the shelves. We didn't buy much. We just got what we needed and got the heck out. So no hoarding going on here. For all you out there, people that are helping others and paying it forward, keep doing the right thing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing and you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to the channel down below. And stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.